Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to you on this lovely Friday. The Nifty now 84 points higher. This is the 7th day running when you have small gains now totaling up to a rally of 400 points over the last 1 week or so. What's really interesting is that it's the end of the week. We closed on the weekly expiry above 25,000, and the next target should ideally be 25,143. This is the 4-week high that you have on the Nifty. Now, what are the reasons why you have this nice uptrend in the market? First, we'll go through them and then we'll get back into the market. Number one, the thaw between the Indian and the US political system gets better and better. There has been an invite extended to Commerce and Industry Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal to visit Washington yet again, and the broad contours of a trade deal between the US and India now seem to be in shape, with the two top political offices in both democracies working towards an off-ramp and of course making conciliatory statements towards each other. All that has enthused the Wall Street, and apart from the Nifty, there is a very strong momentum that we see across the board. The Nifty, as I have mentioned, is 86 points higher. Overall, the market breadth is positive. 1336 shares are in the green versus 324 that are in the red. We track 19 indices for you. Out of 19, you have about 17 which are in the green, and the rally, of course, today is led by none other than the auto index. A fresh record high on the auto index, ladies and gentlemen, 26,954. Apart from that, you have, as far as markets are concerned, a nice uptick that's happening on JBM Auto, 11% higher. Remember, post autos, it's the ancillaries that are moving with very strong gains. JBM Auto at 693 is about 10% higher, and it is not the only auto ancillary stock that is in top shape. Apart from JBM Auto, you have Igarshi Motors 3.7% higher, 508. A strong move coming into Motherson Sumi. This is India's largest auto ancillary by revenue, 2.5% higher, now in 3 digits, 103.25. A strong move coming in on FEM Industries, 1.5% higher, 2197. In fact, we track somewhere like 70 auto industries, auto ancillaries for you. About 55 of them are in the green. Look at Alicon Cast Alloys, 890, 7% higher as far as the auto ancillary space is concerned. And the usual suspects, Bharat Forge, Electra Green, FM Godse are also trading in the green. So that's one sector in top demand. Now let's look at the PSU space. This is again coming back into flavor. Hind Copper, 7.5% higher, 266.73. This is the top gaining PSU today, followed by Garden Reach Shipbuilders, 4% higher. Metals and lignite mining giant GMDC, 4.3% higher, 536. BEML, Masgaon, BDL, BEL, Cochin Shipyard, all of them, ladies and gentlemen, the entire defense pack is in good shape as far as Friday is concerned. Let's pay attention to the Nifty as well. The rally being fueled by Infosys in particular. From what you see in the market as a thumbs up for the buyback. Infosys is contributing 15 points to Nifty's total. Reliance in top shape, contributing 16 points. L&T, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, 12, 11 and 8 points respectively. So Nifty is happy, as happy can be, and of course a bit of a profit booking on HDFC Bank. It's okay. What essentially is of good concern to us is that number one, the rally is in its 7th day. Number two, 25,000 is back with the bulls, and if the gods are really kind, ladies and gentlemen, you will see that Nifty will close above 25,100, 150 today. That should ideally be the icing on the cake. That will be a 4-week high for the index, a much deserved 4-week high. Look, it's already 25,100. Essentially, it seems to be a trend day, which is a gap up, and then slowly but surely sectors join. Look at the PSU banking setup. This is in another top form, and the reason is fairly simple. The government of India is unleashing banking reform 2.0, as our PCR was putting to me fairly strongly today. And that's what is happening in the market so far. I think Mr. Palviya is with us. Rajesh ji, namaskar, a very warm welcome to you, sir.
Namaste, Shelji. Good morning to you.
गुड मॉर्निंग. मैं सोच रहा था आज मैंने ही बहुत अच्छी शर्ट पहनी हुई है, लेकिन आपने मेरे से अच्छी शर्ट अपने जैकेट के नीचे छुपा रखी है.
थैंक यू शैलजी.
अब बताइए क्या हाल है बाजार का. 6-7 दिन हो गए, हल्का हल्का हरा रंग जो है वो गाढ़ा होता हुआ जा रहा है. निफ्टी ने 25,000 दोबारा रिक्लेम कर लिया. ये जो हंसी है आपके चेहरे पर, ये वाकई दिल से आ रही है या दिखावटी है?
नहीं, देखिए, चढ़ता हुआ बाजार देख के तो दिल से ही हंसी आएगी. और जिस तरीके से मार्केट हल्के हल्के बढ़ रहा है या धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है, ये एक अच्छा साइन है मार्केट के लिए. सो आई थिंक gap up, gap down opening doesn't give you trading opportunity in the market. When market moves throughout the day, it gives you opportunity, and you can take your positions in the market based on the technical structure, based on the fundamental valuations. So I think this market should be welcomed by the investor as well as by the trader, because market is giving you opportunity in both the direction. So one needs to take the advantage of this behavior of market, though uncertainty is still there in the market, because a lot of clarity needs to be done in coming weeks or coming month, from the tariff, Trump tariff, and what kind of Fed is going to take action, and how our RBI is going to tackle this situation. And then GST 2.0 reform, how this sales number is going to takes place in the coming months in terms of businesses. So this is all going to unfold in coming month. So it's very interesting time for market. We have already seen a long corrective move for the market. Almost it's 11 month or 12 month time frame where market is still not able to break the previous all-time high trajectory for Nifty, at least for Nifty. So I think almost 1 year consolidation is a good sign for long-term bull market. And all other macros are in place, which is also supporting that bullish stance at this juncture. One should try to buy the stocks where clear visibility is there in terms of earning, and the sectors where outperformance is already there based on the technical structure. So for Nifty, as you are already mentioning about the setup for Nifty, so if we analyze on the daily chart, you can clearly plot out falling trend line breakout is clearly taking place on a daily chart for Nifty. And it's a classical reversal sign on the daily chart. So now for bullish stance, 25,000, 24,900 is the key level on the downside. And till these levels are intact, I think trajectory is likely to exhibit on the bullish side. We are projecting target of 25,200 in the continuation of this up move. Stock Nifty is comfortably holding about to near-term, short-term moving averages. And again, in this up move, now Bank Nifty is also contributing to this up move. So this is again, the sign of broader market is now participating. Earlier, Nifty was attempting to cross 25,000, but Bank Nifty was not contributing to any up move. But now this time, Bank Nifty manages to cross major major call based concentration or area of 54,500 and sustaining above that level. So I think 54,500 is the important level to watch for Bank Nifty also. And I think if it continues to trade above these level, Bank Nifty may also, show some sign of bullishness from here onward, and possible rally can extend to 54,900 to 55,000 in the continuation of this up move.
Right. Rajesh ji, the auto index is at an all-time high.
Yeah.
Stocks like Aisha Motors, Maruti, etc., have run up fairly substantially, and many of them are also at record highs. Do you think that the rally has reached maturity in the auto space given the GST rejig? If no, what is your favorite stock on the technical charts as far as auto is concerned?
So, Shelji, if we analyze the Nifty Auto Index, though there was announcement on Independence Day for GST cut and auto stocks were clear beneficiary, as a very heavy discount now or a heavy price cut, they will enjoy those who are planning to buy a new car, new bike. So I think that's the added advantage. But if we analyze on the technical structure, Nifty Auto Index has bottomed out in the month of April itself, and we have seen a continuity of uptrend post GST 2.0 announcement. There is a sharp up move we have witnessed in most of the auto stock. So we are bullish. We are holding bullish view based on the technical and based on the demand which is lined up because of this rate cut in the automobile. So we are bullish on two-wheeler as well as on the four-wheeler space. From two-wheeler space, we believe that Hero Motor can extend its gain. So one can look to buy Hero Motor as well as Eicher Motor is also showing sign of strength. So Hero Motor, we are projecting target of 5550 to 5600 for near term to short term perspective. But looking at the long term structure, we believe that this stock has potential to surpass its previous swing high of 6200 also. So those who are willing to buy this stock for a little longer period, they can project target of 6200. On the downside, 4800 needs to keep as a stop loss. Again, on Eicher Motor, we believe for trader, it's a good stock as stock is continuously making higher top, higher bottom formation, and possible rally can extend towards 7200 for Eicher Motor. So here, any minor dip should be used as a buying opportunity. On the downside, 6700 needs to keep as a stop loss. From four-wheeler space, Maruti is our preferred choice. Very strong buying action in last couple of week, and the kind of breakout which we are observing on long-term chart. If you analyze on the long-term chart for Maruti, there is a contracting triangle breakout has been taken place in the monthly chart. So we believe the based on the chart structure, we believe that 15,800 to 16,000 would be the next target for Maruti. So here also one can buy any minor decline. On the downside, till Maruti is holding above 14,900, buy on dip should be your strategy. Target is 15,800 to 16,000, and Mahindra is also looking bullish from that space. So overall, if you want to do any trading activity in these kind of volatile markets, I think automobile is a space where you will have ample opportunity like Ashok Leyland, Maruti, even auto ancillary like Exide Industry, Apollo Tire. All these stocks are showing good traction in terms of buying. So we believe that for trader, automobile is a space where they can find a lot many opportunity to trade also.
Right. So, four stocks, ladies and gentlemen, from the auto space. Hero Motors, remember, Hero Motors is yet to touch its all time high and is one of the best rural plays in our country. A good monsoon, reduced costs of the vehicle because of the GST rejig, a cut in interest rates by the RBI over the last 4 months, and of course, the income tax benefit that came into the economy from February onwards is good enough reasons for Hero Motor to fuel up further. Then of course, Aisha, the maker of the iconic Bullet, and four-wheeler maker Maruti, India's top small car maker, and SUV giant M&M. These are the choices that have been offered by strong technical charts to Rajesh ji. Rajesh ji, another set of stocks that seem to be doing well today over the last 3 days is led by Infosys and TCS. What is your view on the IT space, and how do you see IT against the backdrop of this buyback that Infosys has announced? Your view on Infosys and the sector?
Sure. So, Shalji, if we analyze the little longer time frame for IT space, though we have seen a corrective move in last couple of months again, in IT stocks, but if we analyze the little longer time frame, IT index itself took the support from its previous swing low, which was at around 34,000 level on the downside. So I think for near term to short term perspective, 34,500 is the key level to watch for IT, Nifty IT. Till this level is intact, I think some pullback action across the sector is likely to be there, be it large cap IT or be it mid cap IT space. Though outperformance would be definitely there in the mid cap IT space compared to the large cap IT, but yes, again looking at the chart structure for large cap IT, we do believe that some pullback trade would be there in large cap IT stocks also. Looking at near-term structure for Nifty IT, the immediate supply zone is placed at around 36,500. If at all Nifty IT manages to cross these level, I think some more traction we may see in the Nifty IT, and possible rally can extend towards 38,000 level also for Nifty IT. So at this juncture, we are holding a mild bullish view, not aggressive bullish, but mild bullish view on IT stocks to play the pullback. Now moving to the Infosys, based on the news flow of buyback, yes, there is some buying interest has seen in this counter. If we analyze the near-term, short-term structure or monthly structure, also stock has taken the support from its multi-month support area, which was placed at around 1420, 1425 kind of zone. And some pullback is playing out in this counter. In this pullback, 1550 needs to be cross. If it crosses, then short covering action we may witness in this counter, and then possible move towards 1600 on the near term perspective. We could project for near term target. On the downside now, 1490 needs to keep as a stop loss. Again in the Nifty, again in the large cap space, Wipro as well as TCS, these two stocks are also showing sign of recovery. But this is again purely pullback trade. We are not holding the bullish view, but yes, for trader, they can play these stocks as stop losses are defined. Previous swing low needs to keep as a stop loss for TCS also, which is at around 3020 kind of zone. And on the higher side, 3170 is the hurdle. If it crosses, then 3250 would be the next target. But if we analyze the mid cap IT, where we are witnessing that major traction, KPIT Tech, we are focusing, looking at the weekly chart. We believe that some consolidation activity is already happened, and here we could see good traction.
Right. 11:23, Rajesh ji, time to wrap this show for the moment. But one final view on one mid cap, priced below 500 rupees, 400 rupees, where charts have improved. It could be a good small cap stock also. What looks good to you in the mid cap and the small cap space? We've mostly discussed large cap so far, with the exception of KPIT. But maybe a good recommendation for next week.
So I think Shelji Samvardhana Motherson is looking promising. The stock is quoting at around 104 level. Here there is a breakout on weekly chart. So this stock can be looked at for a near term to short term perspective, and I think 115 would be the next target for the counter. Buy and accumulate would be the strategy. On the downside, 99 needs to keep as a stop loss. So this stock is looking attractive from low ticket size stock basket.
Right. With that, Rajesh ji, we'll call it a day. Thank you so much. We'll be meeting on the show next week. Looking forward to such fantastic inputs once again. Have a nice weekend, sir.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
That, ladies and gentlemen, was Mr. Rajesh Palviya. The markets are getting better and better. 25,117 for you, 111 points higher. A century on the bank Nifty as well, 102 points higher. And the IT index refuses to give up on those wonderful gains. 900 points on Thursday, another 900 points on Wednesday, and today another 121. For the last 4 sessions, the IT index is in top form, and that's because companies have taken upon themselves to improve shareholder value. Those long-term shareholders who've been part of Infosys for the last more than the medium term, say 3 years or so, will now have the benefit of a buyback, 18,000 crores worth of buyback at 1,800 rupees per share. Thank you for watching.
From how the markets move today to what's setting the stage for tomorrow.